back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are returning, hey friends. So it's Mother's Day today, so happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. We got to be real quick with this because as y'all can see, it's starting to rain on us, but we wanted to go ahead on and get this done. So today we are actually about to up pot our blueberry plants. When I initially got these blueberry plants, the young lady told me that they would be fine in like a 5-gallon container, but I think they're gonna outgrow them after I did some research. They're gonna grow up to about 6 to 8 feet, and plus a few of y'all told me like, hey, you need some bigger pots for them. So initially I was just gonna put both of them in this big tub. This is a 20-inch barrel. It's from Walmart, Better Homes and Gardens. So instead of putting both of them in there so I won't have to move them again, I just decided to get 2 of them and just separate them and put them close together so they can still pollinate off each other. Because if y'all didn't know, blueberries do well when they pollinate off each other and you get a better yield. So we're gonna go ahead on and put us some soil at the bottom of these.
And just, man, I just gotta chime in real quick. The doggone dedication that you have, that we have out here in the rain.
Yeah.
I don't know if y'all can see that rain on camera, but you sure can see it on her shirt there.
Yeah. Long as it ain't thundering and lightning, we good.
Long as it ain't thundering and lightning, baby. Hey, we out here trying to get this good content for y'all.
Yeah.
Rain, sleet, or snow.
We at the dough. Y'all seen that video? That old man that work at Walmart.
What'd he say, baby?
He say, rain, sleet, or snow, we at the dough.
God dog. I'm talking about as soon as we get out here.
Yep. It's been nice all day, all morning. And we've been getting a lot of rain too, y'all. So
Yeah, we need that rain though.
yeah, we like that rain, especially when that sun come out after it. We was actually gonna try to get 2 videos for y'all today, depending on the weather. If it start raining,
We gonna get 2. We gonna get 2. Hey, if we gotta be in the garage,
yeah,
getting content, filming, we gonna get 2.
Yeah, that other video definitely can be filmed in the garage.
Maybe even 3.
If you're feeling real frisky.
But look how bipolar our weather is. It's raining, but the sun out.
So crazy.
That's the Alabama weather for you. That's alright, baby. It's hard to get dirty.
I mean, I'm putting in that real work.
That's right. Don't wipe your shoes off. You doing them with smearing it in there anyway. So we got them good blueberry plants.
Yes. And I forgot which is which, y'all, because I got 2 different varieties, but I don't even remember which is which now. So let's try to do this.
Now, by them being 2 different varieties, they still could be planted the same. Because you know, like the potatoes, they different. The sweet potatoes and the regular potatoes be different.
But with the blueberries, like I say, they pollinate off each other, and they pretty much get the same treatment, same love.
Oh, okay.
So yeah. And I end up finding my berry tone, y'all, so I'm gonna add that to this soil too. I'm glad I thought about it before I started transplanting.
What that berry tone? What that berry tone at?
Y'all know me. Yep, I found the berry tone. I ended up finding it at Tractor Supply. It was a little bit more pricier than I wanted to pay for it, but I was like, I'm gonna just go ahead on and purchase it. And I'm gonna see if it make a difference in these berries like they say it do.
So this is our first time using the berry tone?
Yes.
Okay.
And so I won't forget about this one too. I'm gonna go ahead and put some in this one too. Ooh, it smell like something with horses. Don't have the best smell. I'm gonna tell you that now.
Like something with horses.
And since I'm putting more new soil in here, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more soil acidifiers to this. If y'all remember, we added some orange peels to our soil in the grow bags, and we added this soil acidifier. So and this just to help get that pH balance right on the soil, because y'all know the blueberries, or if y'all didn't know, blueberries need acidic soil. So that's why I'm doing that. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. It'd be a little bit harder to get these plants out of these grow bags, but we're gonna work it out. We're gonna get it.
You need some help or you got it?
I got it, baby.
All right.
I think I got it. feel it. Okay, so this all I really care about is this plant right here. So I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna pour the rest of this right in here.
So we can use them grow bags for something else, can't it?
Yes, yes. And this soil is still moist too, y'all.
I see.
Yep. I'm gonna add a little bit of baritone on top of that. And they say it's okay if you use a little bit too much of the baritone. It's not gonna hurt your stuff. But y'all correct me in the comments if I'm wrong now. We put some right there where we're gonna put our berries at.
Now, how do you know when the berries are ready to be?
When they get that blue, that bright blue.
That bright blue.
Uh-huh.
And what's the time frame on them?
Ooh, that's a little tricky. So like if this wasn't already an established plant, it would take a little bit longer in order for it to grow. I think about 2 years, maybe 1 to 2 years. And if I'm wrong, I'll put it on the screen, y'all. But if you're starting it from like a little twig, it's gonna take about 2 to 3 years. But if you're starting it like with something already established, hopefully by June or July, we'll have some berries that's ready to go and ready for us to eat.
So y'all leave in the comments, man. Let us know. Do y'all even eat blueberries? And if so, how do you like them? Meaning you like blueberry muffins, blueberry pancakes, waffles, blueberries in your salad.
I love some blueberries in the salad, like some blueberries, strawberries with some them little mandarin oranges on it.
What else blueberry can be?
Blueberry waffles.
I thought I said that. Blueberry waffles.
Oh.
What
Blueberry
else?
pancakes, you say that?
Blueberry pancakes.
Blueberry lemon pound cake.
Woo!
Blueberry lemonade.
God dang, that sound. Woo! You know I like my lemonade.
I do it.
Mm.
I do it. I know what you like to see.
What you doing up there?
Hey!
Look, you want me to get you on camera? You want to say hello to the people? Happy Mother's Day to you too, Mama. I call you when we done. Love you too. All right.
So she was like a thief in the night.
That was my mama, guys. She come dropping Mother's Day stuff off, I guess. Was quiet too.
I'm talking about like a church mouse.
Oh man.
And if y'all wondering too, a lot of people say those grow bags dry out fast, so sometimes people feel a little bit iffy about putting like berries and things like in them. But this soil was still moist and still good, even though we have been getting quite a bit of rain the last few days, but it was still nice and moist. So this is the finishing product on this plant. Hopefully we get a good yield on these berries. Yep, this is our first time trying them out, so we're gonna see how they work out for us. Now let's work on this one. Let's mix this all in. And then we're gonna do this one the same way we just did the other one.
Man, I was just thinking, I don't think I ever had no blueberry lemonade.
You haven't?
Now that I think about it.
Well, guess what, baby? You're gonna have some this year. I need some scissors to cut that thing.
All right. It sounds good, but I ain't never had no blueberry lemonade. I had raspberry.
Yeah, strawberry lemonade.
Yeah. But yeah, man, y'all make sure y'all leaving. Well, she go get that. Y'all make sure y'all leave in the comments, man. Let us know what y'all use blueberries with or put them in or whatever. We sure appreciate all y'all support and all the comments and, you know, just all the love y'all been showing us too.
It making the content even more enjoyable. Doing it. Okay, so we're gonna cut that off, just so it'll be a little bit easier for me to move this plant out the way.
I forgot we had did that.
Yeah, I put this stick in there so it can kind of help let the plant lean up, because as y'all can see, the berries kind of make it tilt over to the side a little bit. Ooh,
You need me to hold? You need me to hold that?
Oh. Hold on. I just gotta catch my balance.
Oh, okay.
Get my balance right.
What'd you say? Get caught?
I gotta get caught, see. Let me. Just broke one of the branches off this, alright. Hold on. Like I said, this soil is real moist.
I can help you now.
Move it around. What's that, baby? You can help me.
Yeah. You always turn my help down.
I don't turn it down, baby.
When we on camera, you do.
Look, when we on camera, say I be needing all the help in the world.
Yeah.
On camera.
Yeah.
I be trying to act like I'm bad. when
Act
I'm
like
on
you
camera.
bad on camera.
Man, don't put me on Front Street.
Gotta put you there.
Don't do me like that.
Them folks need to know. Cause I don't want them sitting there thinking he don't be helping her and moving them big old bags and
No, them bags. I
all
really
that
be
stuff.
good with moving them bags. I be in the gym, y'all. Shoot.
got that gym journey going on.
Uh-huh. I've been going to Hot Works. Yep, I've been going to Hot Works, so that's been fun.
They might not know what Hot Works is.
Hot Works is basically a place where you go and work out in the sauna. So like they do hit training in the sauna. So it be hot as I don't know what.
And you just started what, 2 weeks ago?
About 2 or 3 weeks ago, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yep. And I really enjoy it too. Oh, and for the people that's out there that may have like eczema or something like me, as y'all can see, I'm always wearing these long sleeves. My baby actually found this brand. It's called Magellan from Academy, and they thin, but they cover you up. So I like it because I'm out here in the heat and it's hot, but it's not too bad because this shirt is a little bit thin, but it gets the job done. So if y'all wondering, you know, for people that have eczema or something like that and they don't want their skin exposed too much when it is sun outside.
Or if they just looking for something, you know what I'm saying, cool and like a dry fit material.
Right.
You know.
Yeah. And it's just an outdoor gear brand. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
And
It's
not real expensive, is it, baby?
Nah, it's not expensive at all.
Yeah.
It's a you know, a lot of your fishermen's and hunters and stuff like that wear that brand. Or just people, you know, outdoors, like to be on the outdoors period. You know, wear that brand.
And I'm gonna get some pine straw to kind of do like I did with this one. I'm not gonna put any liquids or water or anything like that in this today because of course it's about to rain. We're supposed to get some more rain today and tomorrow, so I don't want to overwater our plant, and it's the moisture is already still in the soil anyway, so it's good for right now.
Yeah. Just showing our new subscribers how big our backyard is. We always get a lot of people asking why y'all don't grow in the yard or whatever, and we always tell them this is not our forever home, so we're not trying to do, you know, really any digging up the yard and stuff like that, or growing in the yard. Not at this home right here, this house right here.
Y'all imagine how this kind of content gonna be when we do get our favorite spot.
Man, gonna be crazy. But I was just showing them while you was getting that. I was just showing them how big our backyard is for the new people.
Right, the newcomers. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yep.
The way. Yeah. And for those of you that don't know, I like to put the pine straw down to help retain the moisture and the soil. So that's why a lot of people use it as a form of mulch, either like leaves, as a free way to do it, or like say the pine straw, or you can do the easy straw. That's what I want to get next. Once I'm done with this, I'm getting that easy straw, you know, just to have it. But yeah. And if y'all are growing blueberries and y'all want to leave any tips or tricks or anything like that in the comments from y'all experience, feel free to leave the comments. We love reading y'all comments. We love getting y'all little tips and tricks. Somebody that is always leaving us a little tip or a trick is Gibson. Stay leaving us something in the comments, so we appreciate that. And for the people that leave like comments back to back or giving us tips, I forget your name, but it was one person that left like 3 comments on one video, and it was like, I'm sorry if I'm, you know, putting too many comments or something they said, but I don't ever want y'all to feel like y'all putting too many comments or y'all saying too much, because all of the information y'all give us is helpful and we appreciate it, because y'all don't have to take time out of y'all day to leave a comment of the detailed messages that y'all do. So we really appreciate that so much.
Most definitely.
So
Most
don't
definitely.
think we don't. And I take heed to everything y'all say. Yep.
Like I said before, trust me, she does. She reading all comments.
I'm talking about all of them.
And gonna respond to all of them.
Yep. Yep. Ain't no just putting a heart on it and not saying nothing back. If I got time to put a heart, I got time to respond back to y'all. So yeah, I appreciate y'all for taking time out of y'all day to leave a comment.
Yeah, it'd be a lot of and I read the comments too, guys. It'd be a lot of good feedback and helpful tips, hints, tricks, whatever.
So I'm gonna leave this stick on there for now to kind of help.
Got it.
Yeah. Laying it up. Yeah.
Got
but I'm
it.
praying that both of these bushes have an amazing yield on them. You know, they sprout out, the leaves get real nice and bushy, and they grow to those 6 to 8 feet that they say that they might grow to. So
that's how tall they get.
Yeah. I was doing some research, because I was just gonna leave them in these grow bags.
Yeah.
But after I kept doing research, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead on and up pot them now, where they're in the early stages, instead of waiting till later on to up pot them. So
dang,
yeah, y'all.
6 to 8 feet.
Yeah, 6 to 8 feet. And I didn't know that when I initially bought them, because if I would have known that, I probably would have just bought one, even though they say it's good to have 2 different varieties so they can pollinate off.
So, Miss Lady, I got a question for you.
Yes.
How are we gonna move that when we do move?
We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna be good.
Good God Almighty, 6 to 8 feet. I know that's gonna be heavy.
Yeah. And then some people was asking me too. One person asked me, do I plan on growing like fruit trees? Definitely, when we get to our forever home, I do want to add fruit trees to the midst of everything. But as of for right now, this is gonna be the closest we get to the fruit trees. So yeah. I'm trying to, as hard as it is, I'm trying to stay, on the fence about adding so much different stuff to it, So that's the reason why we kind of going the route that we're going. And I think that's really it for this video. Like I said, we're gonna start another video of us doing something totally different. So as far as the blueberries go, this is what we got them in now. 20-inch, I think it's called a whiskey barrel. 20-inch whiskey barrel. We got it from Walmart, the Home Gardens and Better brand. Better Homes and Garden brand. I'm sorry, I said that wrong. So yeah. So that's what it's looking like.
And you remember what did you tell them what size buckets these are?
20-inch.
20-inch.
Yeah, 20-inch. And they were $15.48 a piece. So yeah, they're not real expensive and they look really good.
Yeah, they do.
They look really good. I went on Amazon trying to find something, but they didn't have anything like this on Amazon that was, reasonably priced. So I just got them from Walmart. Yeah. So,
okay.
Thank y'all for tuning in. If y'all made it to the end of this video, drop a blueberry emoji. Instead of dropping a little leaf, drop a blueberry emoji. Yeah, and if y'all haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Thank y'all so much.